second popular solder connection is cable cross or mesh splice. That's actually the technique that you need to push the wires together and twist it. So let's see how we could do that. So as you could see, the first things you need to do, you need to actually push the wires together. So you could actually push these two wires together like this. Then you need to twist it. So that means you are going to twist these two wires. So as usual, just make sure there is no sharp edge on your connection. So here I have one cable cross. So right now I'm going to solder the connection. So I'm going to use the helping hand. I fix the wire. So then I'm actually taking the iron and solder that. So for the soldering, so you need to start from the middle of the joint and work both ways. So as you could see, I start actually from the middle. I keep actually the tip of the iron on the wire to actually warm up the wire. So then you could actually start to solder that. So as you could see, you start from the middle, go actually to the one side, then you actually able to actually back to the other side. So right now I'm actually back to this side. So again, you could actually go forward and backward and make sure there is no sharp edge. So you just need a little weight to cool down your wire. So after a while you're actually able to actually check that and see there is actually no sharp edge here. So if even again that's sharp, you have a sharp edge, so there is no problem. You could actually repeat the whole process again, and you could actually go back and forth and make sure you don't have any sharp edge there. So this is actually how you could solder cable cross or mesh splice.